Hello, this is Imi from iTradeAIMS.com, AIMS Stress-Free Trading. I'm here to discuss a trade that one of my friends took it, and it is supposedly, as you can see, supposed to be a setup one. Now, when I look at a trade like this, my first question is, what is a setup one? A setup one has a very strong 3, and then it has a nice clean wave 4. Now, what has happened here? This is a H4 chart. I'm actually in Vicky's journal, and that's her picture. So we are focusing on this bit. So this is supposedly your wave 3, and this is your wave 4. Now remember what I talked about, the time horizon. You want your, after countless trades after trades and checking them and testing them, I have found that it is not the 100 or 140 bars that we're looking for. We're actually looking for the portion of the pattern, the 345 pattern that is created by the AO, 345. It happens between 100 to 140, but you have to be able to spot the 3 and the 4 so that you could hit the 5. And within that, what you need to do is to find a wave 3 that is at least 40 candles and a maximum of 96. Now, not just the 3 and the 4, but between the 3 and the 4, you don't want the number of candles of a wave 4 to exceed that of the wave 3. And that's one thing. So we're working on a chart that has the x-axis and the y-axis. We want both of them. I'm controlling both of them now. So you want the distance. This is the x-axis, right? The y-axis. Sorry. From down here, it starts and goes all the way up there. So you want to calculate how many pips or what is the range of this. So you want it big. And then you want to compare this horizontally, the x-axis. So how many candles did it take? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a chart so I can do this. So because she uses Pepperstone, so I think I've got this Pepperstone account as well. Here we go. So this is the Russell 2000, I think. Yeah. And she took a trade here. Let me just double check again. Yes. Right. So I think this is good because it's zoomed in as well. So if this is your wave 3, it happened. Well, can I count this in it? Let's just count it, even though it's the end of the 3. So that's 16 candles. Now compare this to the wave 4. If we start here, where wave 4 started. And I mean, this probably won't be even wave 4 because now we have a 3 and it's going down. So it's the sequence broken. So I don't know what it is. But suppose we are here. We have this blue dot. We have everything set up and you think, this is a 3 up, 4 down. Yeah, 5th up. I'm going to take it. But then you could do this. 16. How many are these? Let's count this. About 55. Let's say 54. What is the total? The total is 71. It is within the range. It's more than 40. It's less than 95 or 90. But what is the composition and the proportion of wave 3 and 4 in it? You want it to be at least half and half, or where at least 3 is sometimes more than, in numbers. So if this 3 continued all the way till here, and obviously if it continued, it would have gone far up, right? It would have gone up. And then if you had a week, so this is weeks, right? Because this is H4. So in this week, it went up. But then the next 2 weeks, it stayed sideways. So you got to think about this, right? 2 weeks. Now, trading environment kind of resets at the end of every week. So this has not done anything the last 2 weeks, and half of the week before it was going down and it went up. Now it supposedly looks like a 3, but it's not really a 3. And now it's been proven that it's not because it's just going down. The sequence has been broken. So many things were wrong in this. So you don't have a strong 3, you have a very extended, horizontally stretched wave 4, but what's the worst thing is after that is that the range of wave 4 also was not good. So your wave 3 is 75 points, and the range of your wave 4 is about 27. You want, as you can see when it turned around here, you wanted this to be around this week, around here. You wanted it to not do this, all this. You wanted it to come like this, and then, where's my box? Oh, I don't have a box. Okay, let's do this. So you learn a bit as well. If you don't have those things, you just come here, select the spot, let's say here, insert, if you want any of the other stuff, all rubbish. But so we have a box. You want this box to have formed around here. And if you select this draw object, then it fills it. If you take it off, make it a bit thicker, then it becomes a box like this, right? So that's something. So if it formed this box around here and then the alligator was inside it, the box was tight, and you were going for something around there, oh my God. I have other things that I could have used. So what you want is a wave 3 that extends like this. So inside, it's not a box. It goes like this, right? So it will go something like this, going up. And then you want wave 4 to be tighter. So you want this proportion. See this? And then you want, do you see these levels? Oh, where is my arrow? Please give me an arrow. Please give me an arrow. Can everyone give me an arrow? Yes, I like arrows. Here and here. See these two boxes? Now, if it extended, went like this, there's a box there, and then you had a signal and you wanted to go long, this would be a good setup. But around here, it had spent too much time sideways and it's not been clean and tight box. Many things wrong with it. So that's one. And I know that you've been trading the waltz or the other, right? Let me now switch to the time frame, which I can't see. We can use this. Let's go to the daily chart. Can you see this? Where is the trend? Where is the strength of the trend? Where is that trend bar? Where is that trend bar? You can't ignore this concept. Once you know the waltz concept, you can't just say, oh, I'm not trading the waltz, so let me not just apply the concept. No, the concept is the same. So if you're looking for a setup 1 on H4, you need to have some form of confirmation that the higher time frame is actually trending. Or even if you just stay on your same time frame, then you have to apply those rules to say, where is the strong wave 3? You can't have half of a week that's showing a bit of a wave 4 and then followed by 2 full weeks of price going sideways. It just doesn't make sense. So I just wanted to make this video I, I mean, I wanted to write in your journal, but sometimes you can't really explain it. So I thought I'll make this video so that you understand. I hope it makes sense.